there, this is Mia speaking. Today, let me introduce our shelter dome. Before introduce the details, please let me show you our some cases for the world. From 2016 to 2020, our dome product has delivered to Australia, India, France, and so on. These domes including eco living dome, projection dome, exhibition dome, wedding dome, and etc. The package includes PVC roof cover, steel frame, insulation, and doors. Also, our doors including wooden door and glass door for option. What's more, we introduce other accessories for option, such as flooring. We designed the double desking flooring system to avoid rainwater flowing back and mosquito flying inside. Curtain. We exclusive jewelry shape design, helping the curtain be slide smoothly. And solar frame. The solar frame is environmental in electrical options for glamping. The whole space could be more comfortable with this ventilation facility. We have the stove job positions on insulation layer so that you can install the fireplace, connect the stove jack. Also, we will provide you the mosquito screens if you need. And you can see this design is the ventilation hose cover with triangle PVC head, features both air circulation and rainproof. And we have We designed aluminum trippies nailed together with the covering to the ground, so that can embroider all insects away from your home house. More options for windows, such as triangle roll-up window, transparent round window, glass window, and skylight. Yes, our dome product is fantastic. Maybe you want to learn more about our dome projects for the world. In New Zealand, the clients were satisfied with our domes because we offer the planning according to their site. Up to now, so much guests give a good feedback for the living experience. Not only our domes is used for the farmers, but also for the desert area. Jordan. The most important thing is the unit insulation design. And our PVC covers remains a good performance even in the desert with a huge temperature difference between day and night. In Japan, we have cooperated with them for many years. 6-meter domes for living and 10-meter domes for coffee room. Also, they got the architecture award because of their unique design. In Malaysia, we use galvanized steel to resist corrosion, which has already run through years but without any problems of the dome. In France, our clients designed the mezzanine for a small bed. The children can see the stars at night. So kinds of design is very ideal for family living. Besides, latest designs including water drop hole, oval dome, and glass dome. Lastly, we provide you this service including our project manager is willing to provide target solution with you. Then we would like to provide you customized designs depending on budget, weather, and local environment. Our professional design teams from shelter so as to provide internal design ideas. The installation test will be done before shipping and packing process, which ensure the high quality of our product. For package, we will follow up the shipping standards. For delivery, we will try our best to deliver the goods as soon as possible. As you know, Shelter has already delivered with so many countries, including the United States, Australia, Spain, French, and so on. The last, Shelter provides installation manual as soon as possible. Shelter provides installation manual as well as videos to guide you through the whole installation process. Is the introduction of our glamping dome. Let's move on the event dome. For event domes, the dimensions is from 6 meters to 60 meters and its capacity is from 10 people to 2,000 people. Event dome package including roof cover, steel framework structure, projection layer, and door. For the doors, we have 4 options. The first, round zipper door, projection door, single wing door, and double wing door. For the covered PVC fabric, we have 4 options. The first, full blackout PVC fabric. Its color is optional. The second, blackout PVC with transparent part. And the window shape is customized. The third, you can choose full transparent PVC. And the last, you can printed PVC. About the windows, you can choose rolled up windows for ventilation. and transparent windows, glass windows, and skylights. Also for ventilations, ground ventilations, you can choose to install the PVC fabric outside. This is 30 meters projection dome, different from the normal PVC fabric. This dome is made by a special service treatment that is suitable for projection clearly. This is also 30 meter projection dome. It is insulated under curtain tower. We provide the target solution including top-class dome tent, professional projection layer, and the salt solutions layer. Okay, look at the pictures. This is 50 meters projection dome. It is used for movie, conference hall, and photograph exhibition venues. The white PVC is the good place to present the brand and event theme. Okay, look at the picture. This is the big project in Jordan Desert. There are so many connected domes. Connected domes is the feature design from shelter. Each dome can join together with arc between the entrance and cornerstone. Also, the transparent windows can be customized in any shape. Yes, this is also the customized dome of 18 meters. The clients require the customized design for the transparent part. And the brand logo can be printed on the cover fabric. Okay, this project makes us a deep impression. The client is a resort owner. He wants to build up the extra facilities in his spring resort. Therefore, we provide the target solutions of 5 domes, which are in 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, and 10 meters. Obviously, this is the transparent dome. It shows a fantastic light effect so as to attract more customers to join their activities. Except for big domes, we also provide you with small domes, like this project. Small igloo domes is a perfect option for outdoor cafes and leisure area. You must be asked what the service we can offer. Please check the service as following. Project manager is willing to provide target event solution. Also, we can offer customized design of framework, printed PVC fabric, as well as transparent window shape. machines and advanced technology to ensure product quality and smooth installation. All of tests will be done before shipping and packing. For the package, we will follow up the shipping standard. And for the delivery, we will deliver the goods as soon as possible. Our products meet international standards, so Shelters has already delivered the products to so many countries. And last, Shelters provides installation manuals as well as videos to guide you through the whole installation process. Next, I will invite Mr. Johnny with me together to show the dome details.
Hey guys, welcome to Shelter Structures. This is Johnny.
This is Mia. Let's talk about the details of dome tent.
First, let's take a look at the frames. As you can see here, we have different dimensions of the frames. The smaller one is for glamping dome, and the bigger one is for event dome. And this one is for almost 50 diameter dome. The material is steel with powder coated on the surface, which makes it more smooth and shiny. And the material is rust proof. This is no problem. Now let's move on to the fabric.
This is 850 GSM PVC fabric, and this is 650 GSM PVC fabric.
The fabric is fire retardant. Actually, we have two standards for it. One is from Europe, DIN 4102, B1, M2, and the another one is American NFPA 701. Now let's take a look at the transparent fabric.
This is our transparent PVC fabric.
This is used for skylight, bay window, and full transparent dome. This is very strong. As you can see, here we have different colors for your option for the fabric. Apart from white, actually the most popular one, dark green, okay, and semi-yellow. Now let's see the insulation. The insulation is made of double layer 6 mm thickness aluminum foil coated with waterproof canvas. Now let's test the waterproof. See? This is pretty obvious. Now let's take a look at the curtains. This is the sample of our curtains. As you can see here, we have various colors for your option. These colors can also be used for the insulation. And actually, this is our most popular one. This is our ISO 9001-2015 quality certificate. And this is our fireproof certificate. This is the brief introduction of our dome tent.
For more information, please